Welcome back everybody, it's Albert Lebel, and I've got a challenge locking device that kind of scares me a little bit. Yep, because of the name. It's a Zika virus. It's by William Mancel. It's called Zika Virus number 14. Yeah, let's hope I wasn't sure if I should spray it with some Lysol or something first, or maybe clean it in some bleach. I wasn't sure, but I'm going to go ahead and trust William. He seems like a pretty casual guy, so we're going to go ahead and leave it alone. And I'm thinking maybe y'all can notice by now, I did go bigger on the desk here. I am so happy because I was getting crunched up on that little desk I was using. I'm in the same area, I just have a much bigger table now, so everything, now the backsplash is actually back. I'm not all crunched up into a little tiny space. So let's get zoomed in here on the lock a little bit. Now I really do got to zoom in. That might do it. Is that good? We'll call that good. So yeah, I love having the space now. Golly, I was outgrowing the table. Well, I did outgrow it. Okay, so let me see. Here's the getting out of whack here. There's the betting on the key. Nothing too frightening. The lock does work both ways. Got a little tick to it, but you know, it is a challenge lock. And I'll tell you what, I was stabbing on this thing for, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes or something. And one thing I want to mention real quick, and I've learned it from more than one person, but Bosnian Bill, he kind of got me into constantly when one pick doesn't work, try another damn pick. I get stuck. I know a lot of us probably do. We get stuck using the same picks over and over excuse me, thinking they're going to work on every lock. It's not the case, and that's what I was doing on this lock. And then I picked up this dude, one of the Sparrow's picks. I'm not sure what it's called. I'll give you a close-up if you know. But and then I got the lock open. I was like, there we go. So any hoodles, you know, lessons learned. And I did notice too, this thing right here, you have to go really casual on it. Like, and I mean casual. Nice and easy. No heavy tension, nothing funky. Just take it easy. Little tiny clicks. There we go. I think that was 5. 4. Just little baby clicks. Two. 4. Okay, 5. Got a little slight bit of a turn. Got to go real slow though. It's real easy to overset this sucker. I can tell you that right now, because I did it. I'm hoping I didn't do it again just now. Let's see. I might have done it. Okay, 1. Okay, 5. Got a little bit of a turn back. Okay, a little more of a turn. See if we can send it home, huh? I missed something. Oh, I think it was 4. Okay. Yep, overset something. Reset. Okay, nice little turn there. Two, counter rotation. Nice little turn. 1. There we go. Bada boom, bada bang. It's just stuck on the vise. We got it. We got it. Beautiful. Yeah, you got to go, like I said, real easy, or you're going to overset the sucker. And I did that too many times. Okay, so now we can get backed out a little bit here. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this, the bigger desk here with all the room. It's so nice. So here we go. We're bada boom, bada bang open. And get this vise out of the way. And I'm really not used to all this space now, so I guess we can do it pretty much anywhere. Let's get a pin and tray down here. Where are we at? Let's go. Like that. Okay, so we do have a key, so I can go ahead and lock it back up. Well, I guess we don't need to. Let's just take it apart. Ah. All right. Yeah, buddy. Alright, the screws. Get the tail cam off. Let's get it rotated nice and good. See if we can get a shim in there. Maybe I can rotate it around here. There we go. Alright. Bada boom, bada bang. Let's see if we can't do this. Alright. Beautiful. Get the pins laid out here on the tray. That's 5. And that's 6. Okay. Set that down and get some eyes on. By the way, when I say eyes on, I use these things, these magnifiers. That's what I use when I'm building challenge locks, and I gotta tell you, if you don't have a pair of them, get some. They are freaking awesome, especially for an older fellow like myself that can't see too well anymore. Okay, we've got threaded in 1 and, well, it kind of looks like very light threading in 1, 3, 4, and 5, and then an undercut in 2 and 3. And what I mean by light threading is, I don't know if that's even threaded. Maybe they're, I don't know. They're barely, I'm going to see if we can just show it instead of me trying to explain it. They're super light threads. I wouldn't even, you couldn't use them as threads, I don't think, for a screw. They're real shallow. Just barely scratched. Okay. Bada boom, bada bang. Where are we at? Tweezers. Let me get these flipped around here real quick. Very nice. Nice pins, William. Very nice. Okay, get that shim out of there. Get this thing rotated around here so I can use the slot. Let's see what we got upstairs. It looks like a, oh, it's T-pin. Go ahead and, matter of fact, what a trip. First I've ever seen. It's a serrated T-pin. That's cool. I believe that's the first I've seen of that. And we've got a spool. Looks factory, but that's okay. May or may not be. William, you can let me know. Put it in the comments if you don't mind. We've got, you know what? Okay, that's a. I thought it was the wrong way because it's a recycled key pin, but it's it was in the right way. Serration. Uh-oh, looks like it doubled. Yep, doubled spring. Didn't want to cooperate. Okay, that was 3, so 4. We've got a serrated, another recycled key pin. Five is a multi-serrated. And we'll go in the back for 6. If I'm very careful, I won't jack it up. I don't like them flipping over on me. We got it. Looks like a serrated. And it looks like a different kind of spring, maybe steel. Alright, see if we got anything up in the... I don't feel nothing up in there. Don't see nothing, don't feel nothing. Well played, sir. Okay. Let's get the, where's my key? Again, that was Zika Virus. I'm going to put William's name on top. William Mancel, by the way. Alright, camera down here. Take a look at some pins here. We've got a key pin. We got a serrated, it looks like, just finely serrated. 2, we'll call that serrated spool because it's serrated and spooled. 3, spool. 4 is this funny looking kind of serrated-y reduced top combobulation of a pin. I'll tell you what, this lock worked damn good, so I can only say that these pins are great. 5, double serrated. 6 is a standard. I apologize for moving that. Drivers, serrated T-pin. Very cool. 2 is a spool. 3 is, we'll call it serrated. 4, double, triple serrated. Same in 5. And then this kind of spool action in number 6. And the springs do vary. It looks like copper, copper, copper and steel. Copper, copper. Yep, steel. Go back over there, pal. Okay, that's what we got, y'all. William Mancel, thank you so much. And actually, you were the one that sent me this, so thank you again. All right, everybody. Big Al, signing out.